Hello guys, my name is Kola Matis Temorang and my NPM 2341113. I want to explain the material about performance measurement system. A performance measurement system is the set of process tools and indicators that an organization uses to track how well it's achieving its objective. In translate, strategy into measurable terms provides feedback into decision makers and creates accountability throughout the organization. Without a measurement system, leaders operate on intuition and uncoded. With a purely designed system, they optimize the wrong things and create united consequence. A well-designed system concept, purpose, strategy, operation, and people in way the support learning and the improvement. 1. Purpose of performance measurement system. The first purpose is element. A measurement system translates high-level strategy into specific objectives and metrics that teams and individuals can act on. When everyone understands how their work contributes to the organization goals, effort become coordinated rather than fragmented. The second purpose is feedback and control. Measurement provide timely information on whether activity are producing an intended result. Leaders can detect deviation early, diagnose causes, and take corrective action before small problems become large ones. The third purpose is learning and improvement. Good measurement does more than just past performance. It generates insight into what works and what does not, enabling this organization to adjust process skill and resource allocation. The fourth purpose is communication and accountability. Metrics make performance visible to internal and external stakeholders. They create basis for a conversation about priority, trade-offs, and responsibility. 2. Key components of the system. A complete performance measurement system includes objective, indicator, target, and data source, process, and governance. Objective define what success looks like in concrete terms. They solve derived from strategy and expressed in a way that can be measured. Indicator or metrics are the specific measures used to track progress toward objective. Good indicators are relevant, valid, reliable, timely, and accountable. For example, customer retention rate is more accountable than a vague statement about customer satisfaction. Target set the desired level of performance for each indicator within a defined time frame. Target create focus and urgency, but they must be challenging yet attainable. Data source and collection process determine how the data is gathered, validated, and stored. Pure data quality undermines the entire system, regardless of how well the metrics are designed. Process define how information is found, discussed, and the use discuss making measurement without review and outcome become a reporting exercise with no impact. Governance established roles, responsibility, and rules of maintaining the system. It clarifies who owns each metric, who validates data, and how changes to the system and approach. 3. Types of performance measure. Organizations typically use a mix of financial and non-financial measure, and the mix of leading and lagging indicator. Financial measure include revenue, profit, margin, cost per unit, and return on investment. They tell you about the economic outcome of the decision, but often arrive too late to influence those discussions. Non-financial measures include customer satisfaction, employee engagement, cycle time, defect rate, and market share. There are often leading indicators that predict future financial performance. Leading indicators measure activities and conditions that drive future results. Example: a training hours, complete number of the product prototypes, tests, or website conversion rate. 4. Common frameworks. Several frameworks help organization design balance measurement system. The balance score rates organize measure into 4 perspectives: financial, customer, internal process, and learning and growth. It forces leaders to consider non-financial drive or performance and to link them to financial outcomes.